Uh, almost done with this. Let me see. Make sure it's all recorded. Oh, what's happening, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 just came from YouTube Live, now on Facebook Live, okay? Your boy Dominoes 7 is cooking spaghetti, okay? Yep. My cooking show, you know. I know I just came from YouTube though, from YouTube Live, but if you watching me now, I'm on Facebook Live, okay? But if this upload on Facebook, I mean on YouTube, did y'all know, okay? Yep, got me some ragu and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, I sure love to share my cooking with my friend Mika Nails, you know. just like she to cook me something. Well, not cook me. I never liked jambalaya until I tried her jambalaya. Tasted so good, I loved it. Long as she ain't trying to poison me. I'm just joking. She wouldn't do me that, y'all. I'm cooking. About to put some of this tea in, stuff like that. Let me get some water and pour it in here and stuff like that. You know. Let me turn the camera like that. Not ride size, you know. Okay. So yeah, I'm cooking with a mask on, you know. So yeah, that's all, you know. So I cooks with a mask on, ladies and gentlemen. That's what your boy Domino do now, you know. Just to keep it safe, you know. All right. Okay. Put this in here. It looks backwards. Okay. All right. Almost done. All right. So I'm gonna let y'all know. In May, I'm gonna be doing my show at Raleigh's graduation. You know. Taste it. Tastes good, but it still need more salsa. There you go. A little more salsa. But I'm not going to put no sugar in it. You know, the heck with sugar, you know. Yes, indeed. Let y'all know that we doing good over here. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, because you know God is looking out for us, you know. My mama watching down on us from heaven, you know. You know what? Let me. I'm gonna stop this and put the camera right side, okay? I'll be back.